This particular linocut is inspired by a story, a very famous story from Vietnam, which was originally a children's book entitled The Diary of the Cricket. I've brought it into the modern day, if you like. You can see the cricket here to the left of the composition. You can see the moonlight and the large full moon here. And then we've got the street light. So this itself, the composition, it places the characters from the Diary of the Cricket story into a modern day view of Vung Tau, which is the area in the south of Vietnam where I currently live. We're going to do the printing stage right now. So I'm using Speedball relief ink. You can see, and we don't need so much ink, right? We just want about this much initially, and generally I'll apply 2 coats. This is my brayer or roller. It's quite a large one, and I'm going to roll out the ink. Just look for anything getting picked up in the ink and just take that out. So this will be our first coat of ink. I'm going to apply another one after. This paper is 245 GSM Arnhem archival paper. So this is locally sourced in Vietnam, where I live, in Ho Chi Minh City. And yeah, we're going to register the print. Okay, this is called hand burnishing. This is my wooden baren which I'm using, and it's just a case of simply rubbing the back of the paper, transfer the linocut image nicely onto the other side. So, as I've said in previous videos, this involves a little bit of elbow grease. You can bypass this method if you have like a printing press. I actually prefer this method, even though it's more labor intensive. This is my copy of Diary of a Cricket. So I got this from a local children's bookstore called Kim Dom. And I'm going to just open it and show you a little bit. So first, if we look at the foreword, so it says here, it is a story of a cricket who, together with his friends, travels throughout the world. On their journey, the group meets many dangers and hardships, but their difficulties only deepen their feelings of brotherhood. Along the way, the travelers meet new friends who share the same sense of purpose and a strong belief in a better future. So you see this book, it's beautifully illustrated. Lots of nice colourful pictures. And it's ultimately a rite of passage story with the trials and tribulations of the cricket. To learn more though, as I've said, to learn more about this artwork, you can visit my website, and I'll put the link up on here. So I'll just show you some of the nice pictures there.